Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and you're going to absolutely get nothing out of this video. I'm mainly doing this for one person, but you might get a little bit out of it, so maybe keep watching. And I'm not 100% sure this is even going to work for him, but he is cutting out like a kit with a whole bunch of parts on a sheet of plywood, but he wants to ship the kits intact where they don't fall out. And there's a couple of companies that ship kits, and they're kind of like snap them out, which I can't stand because most of them don't work like they should. But here's how I came up that you could do this. And it's, I don't know if this will even work for him because I don't know if the parts are any arrangement, but if they're semi, across the page, and there's ways to work around it. But he could individually cut out little sections, but it would take forever, or he's saying, and it would. So what I'm going to do is select them all, go up to arrange, and convert them to an object. And then I'm going to give them I'm going to right click my mouse and give them back a hairline. Now I'm going to take all those objects and I'm going to weld them together. They don't really, they're just one unit. So the eraser tool will work. And if you set your eraser on 0.003 as a guess, you would have to do some testing. And the problem with that, it's really hard to see. So one way around that is 0.25, click, and now you've got a 0.25 eraser. But now you can go 0.003, and now you can see where you're at. And then when you click, it's going to go back to that small size. But if you just start moving across your page and holding down your control button after you start moving, and then hit your left mouse button, and what it did, it cut a 0.003 hairline through all these parts, so they would stay together. And I'm going to do it in a bigger scale this time, just so you can see it work on the next one. We're going to take our eraser, and this time we're going to make it 0.01, so the eraser will be a little bit bigger. And there it is right there. So I can see it, but you might not be able to see it. But as soon as you click it, and then after you start moving, hold down your control button and you'll get a straight line. And then just click on your mouse. And this time it cut just a hair, a little bit bigger hole. But this would work. I don't know if it'll work in his scenario, but it might help you in the future if you're just wanting to do something kind of like this, and you're not building a kit, but you want minute little gaps in there. Anyway, I truly hope that helped him, and thank you for watching.